I'm Dr. Rob Jackson, Superintendent of the Carteret County Public Schools System. I am on one of our incredible yellow buses. Back in March, when our governor made the decision to close our schools for in-person learning, we could not have known how these buses would prove themselves to be invaluable. They've always been important to our work in that we know how hard our transportation staff and our bus drivers work to ensure that every single student who rides one of our yellow school buses or one of our activity buses is kept safe. In March, though, we started to use these buses in a creative and innovative way. We used them to deliver meals to hungry children to ensure that they had a filling and nutritious meal to eat. We use them to deliver instructional supplies. As we think back to all we've been able to do with our yellow buses, we're excited about the opportunity to do what they're made for, and that's to transport our students to school and back home again. As we prepare for this new year, we're working hard to ensure that we're doing everything we can to keep our students and our bus drivers safe, to safeguard their health and well-being right here on the buses. Part of that work is the opportunity to disinfect the bus. We have to disinfect the bus after every single run, and we've been able to acquire foggers, which will tremendously speed up that process, and we appreciate all those who will be doing that work to ensure that this bus and every bus like it is a safe place for each of our students. Parents, we need your help. Would you take just a moment and click on the link to the parent survey and share with us whether or not your son or daughter or your child will be riding the bus this school year as we continue to plan the logistics for each of our routes. You also have the opportunity to let us know if your children will take place in returning to school in person or if you would prefer that they learn remotely all the time. Either way, we look forward to serving you. We appreciate that opportunity. We're honored by that opportunity. We have been, we are, and we remain Carteret Strong.